How to write paragraph. 1. Give a title to the paragraph. Capitalize the first letter of all the words except the article and preposition, like a visit to a place of interest. 2. Start the paragraph with an introductory sentence, simple and short, an inch away from the margin. 3. Points for the paragraph will be given in the question. Write one sentence or two on each of the points. Remember, there is separate number for each point. 4. End your paragraph with a concluding sentence to make the reader feel that the paragraph has come to a close. 5. Limit the use of the verb to a small area, the simple tense. 6. To write life history or biography, use the simple past form of the verb and use the preposition on, in, at. 7. The title must be written in the first person even if the topic is given to you in the second person. So, your home becomes my home. I think all of you understand.